July 1st. Start off here. Welcome to Stress Futures Trading. It's David. Haven't been here before. Welcome to the channel. Please like and subscribe. So let's go to the month here. So it's month high. So that was also Monday's range. So let's go to the weekly. Last week was last week's high. We'll go to the daily. Okay. And then have a view here. So we have this Monday low down here. So Monday high, Monday low. Let's take a 1 day fair value gap. Break it down to the 4 hour. We do have a order block, 4 hour block also here. We have this liquidity zone here. So I guess this already got taken out. So that'd be, looks like we do have a this weekend gap here. Still haven't got filled. This gap. Monday is low. Mark that out. Back to the 4 hour. Oh, this was the weekend gap. So new week open gap. Here. So let's go now to the so let's mark out Asia high. Asia low. London making lower lows. And now we got this sideways action going on here. Small 15-minute fair value gap here. We're still kind of ranging in this zone here. I never took this low yet. Take a look at the hourly here. Resting liquidity here. upper block here, also bullish. Yep. So nothing clear yet, but if we do get somehow take this liquidity low here, and then I'd be looking for a long up to here. That's for a short. If we break above and come back below, short. Right now, we're still chop, chop, chop. And there's supposed to be a lot of news out today, so we'll look at our calendar here. So we have the Fed speaking at 2:30. Then we have jolts right after that. ISM manufacturing. So I expect quite a bit of volatility. So I think we're going to be sideways till the Fed's done speaking here. So we should have a lot of volatility. It's good for open. So right now I'm not going to take any trades and wait and see what plays out. But please like, subscribe, comment, and thanks.